Hello students, now I am going to explain you how to evaluate a postfix expression. This is a C program, hence I have included few of the header files required for running the program. I have defined a function compute which takes the symbol operand 1 and operand 2 as inputs or as parameters, and the symbol is passed to the switch statement. Depending upon the symbol passed, the case statement inside the switch will be executed. If the symbol is plus, operand 1 and operand 2 are added. If the symbol is minus, the operand 1 subtracted from operand 2, multiplication, division, and the power function. For power function, we know that we will be using the dollar symbol or the cap symbol. For that, we use a mathematical function POW and pass operand 1 and operand 2 as arguments. Depending upon the symbol, the arithmetic operation is performed and the value is returned from the function compute. Next, I have a function isDigit. In isDigit, I am checking if the symbol is a operand or a number. If it is a number, that is if the symbol is greater than or equals to 0 and the symbol is less than or equals to 9, I am returning 1 which represents true, or I will be returning 0 which represents false. Now the main function, the flow of control always starts from the main function. I have declared few variables. S is an array, result as to store the result of the variables. OP1 and OP2 are the operands. Top is an integer variable which is initialized to -1. I will be using as a loop control variable. Postfix is an character array which I call as a string to store the postfix expression and the symbol. Later we print enter the postfix expression. We read the postfix expression and store it in the character array. My top is already initialized to -1, hence this line is not required. Let me comment it out. Now I enter a for loop. Here the loop control variable I is initialized to 0 and the loop runs depending upon the length of the postfix expression. Depending upon the length of the postfix expression, it will be calculated. So if I is less than the number of elements inside the postfix expression and it is true, I enter the for loop. The first red postfix value will be stored inside the variable symbol. Then I check the condition if isDigit symbol. I check if that symbol is a operator or an operand. If it is a digit, if it is a digit, if it is a number, the if statement, the condition inside the if statement will be true. I enter the true block of the if statement. Because I am pushing it inside the stack, we all know that before pushing any element inside the stack, I have to increment my top. I increment my top. Then to inside the array or inside the stack s of top, I insert the symbol. If the input symbol is not a number, If it is an operand, then the condition in the if statement becomes false and the false block of that if statement will get executed. Here what we do is we pop a element from the top of the stack and assign it to operand 2. Again we pop one more element from the stack and we assign that to operand 1. After assigning values to operand 1 and operand 2, we call the compute function. We are passing the symbol, the operand 1 and operand 2 to the function. The flow of control comes to this point, and with the help of the symbol and the operands, the value are calculated and the value will be returned from this function, which we are going to store inside the result variable. This calculated result will again be pushed inside the stack. Before inserting the element inside the stack, we increment the top. With the help of the top as an index value to the stack, we insert the result into the stack. This process happens until all the elements inside the postfix expression gets exhausted. After that, after all the elements are exhausted, the only element inside my stack will be the result. I pop that element and store inside the result variable and I print it. This is how the postfix expression will be evaluated. I have to enter a postfix expression. So let me enter it 2, 3, 4 plus into. See, the result is 14. This is how I evaluate a postfix expression. Hope you have understood how this program works.